A stock which has given over 70% return in past 3 months only has also posted 49% increase in net profit. Yes, I am talking about the biggest insurance company of Mohanty. Mr. Mohanty, welcome to ET Now. My first question to you will be, do you actually watch stock price movement? And does it give you confidence now that even in the stock price, the actions which you would have taken are reflected now?
I must thank my investors for reposing faith in LIC. We are into our work. We are into fulfilling our commitment which we gave at the time of listing to all our customers, to all our investors. So I think in line with our commitment, we are delivering. Even more than commitment, whatever we are delivering, that is more than our commitment. And in coming time also, this will continue.
Coming to the numbers, net profit has shown a decent growth. Can you please highlight which has been main contributors on the same?
You see, profit, we changed our product line. If you see, whatever commitment we gave, we had more of non-par products. Non-par products which will take care of customers first. Because the customer first, he will get good return. And after that, all other stakeholders. So those products are giving good return, they are getting traction in the market. And last quarter, particularly in the month of December, we launched a product November 29th, Jivan Utsav. That has got traction and gave good result during last quarter. In 1 month, that gave good result.
You had deliberately shifted towards non-par where the margin is more. I want to know 14% share is already there. How much you aspire more? Do you see, will we see that there will be increased focus which will continue for this segment in coming quarters as well?
You see, non-par at the time of listing, we had a target and we have told that at least 15% non-par share in AP will be there. If you observe this moment, it started with 7.12,
right.
Then next year it went to 8.89, then it is 14.04.
Right.
And 15% definitely by March, it will be much more than our commitment. That is my sense, looking to performance in recent time, will surpass our commitment.
Talking about VNB margins, which has been something you promised along with industry, you will also grow. But if you see the timeline, that has happened at least 2 years before your commitment. Now at 20% VNB margin, if you look at Q3 numbers, do you think this number is sustainable and it will continue for coming quarters as well?
You see, total for 9 months it is 16.6.
Right.
200 basis points growth we have given over last period of same year on year we have given. But for Q3 it is 20%. That has because of due to this product, our Jivan Utsav. And since this is just beginning, 1 month only December, so January, February, March, my sense is this will continue and it is sustainable. Rather our
their assumption. Apart from that, if you talk about the product mix, can we expect some more changes coming down the line?
You see, product, we launch product depending upon the market need, need of our customers. So it is a continuous process. So in coming days also you will observe, very recently we are going to launch one child product for children segment. And already this Jivan Utsav we have launched. For senior citizens, Jivan Dhara 2 pension product, deferred annuity product we have launched. Then for youngsters, those who are more to share market, LIC Index Plus we have launched. So all product gap has been fulfilled, will cater to the needs of all segments of the society by delivering good competitive products.
One thing I want to understand that while you report your embedded value numbers every 6 months and last was till September, but is it a fair assumption considering the market conditions that embedded value would have gone up in proportion to what is happening around?
That you can guess. I need not tell you.
Okay, so we have to wait for March numbers, but
But my sense will be there will be definite improvement upon whatever you saw in September.
Okay, so that shareholders can definitely expect. One, you have also given an interim dividend this time, and last time also this was rupees 3 per share dividend was given. I want to know that when shareholders look at LIC, they have already got return this time. What more should expect from company which they were waiting for since IPO, if I would say so?
My objective is to create value for all my shareholders. And in that direction we are working, and you see the result. So they have reposed confidence in LIC, and that will continue. That will continue. They will continue. I will expect them to continue their trust in LIC and bless.
So shareholders can definitely expect more. Commission ratio, how has that panned out? If you can talk about last quarter numbers and what should be the expectation?
Commission will be stabilized because commission depends upon product. Because if you have a non-single product, commission rate is more than single premium. So if you see balance, both single and non-single, single we have some impact. Non-single has grown drastically, which was not there Q1 and Q2, but Q3 improvement is there. So my sense is the commission rate and commission expenses will stabilize. It will not be very less or very high growth will not be there. It will commensurate with business growth, premium growth.
Okay, so what is your strategy in terms of, as you mentioned about the commission? Is it more of an expansion in terms of volume, and the commission should remain stable? How do you see that?
Once volume goes, commission will also go up.
Okay.
Because rate for each product is already decided. So if you sell more, obviously commission will be, volume will be more. Total amount of commission will be more.
Is company doing more operational expenditure because you are expanding a bit? You are also spending on digital infrastructure. If you can talk about it.
Digital, actually we have taken a digital transformation project in the current year. We call it Project DIVE. That DIV, Digital Innovation and Value Enhancement. So global level consultancy firm, they are guiding us. And already 3-4 months work they have started. They have done some gap analysis and milestones have been defined. Now vendor engagement and actual work will start. So at regular interval some milestone will be achieved. And that will help not only customer acquisition but also entire servicing. Lifespan of a policy stays for 20-25 years, so whole life. And so many needs are there, servicing needs. Everything will be taken care of by this digital transformation project. And already, if you know, we have already one mobile app for our agents. Customer acquisition agents. We have empowered our agents through one Ananda, that is digitally assisted mobile app for agents. Last year we completed 8,11,000 policy through this app. No paperwork, no wait signature, customer at his place, agent at his place, matter of 10 to 12 minutes, starting from onboarding, eKYC verification, RTGS NEFT payment, underwriting policy issue. 10 to 12 minutes, we completed 8,11,000 policy last year. This year up to December already 7,45,000 we have crossed. So March it will be much more. But objective is to further scale it up. Because we sell more than 2 crore policies every year.
Yes.
So objective will be totally scale up, and finally 100% should come through digital channel, so that no paperwork, that is our objective. In that direction this project we have started.
When you say 100%, by when you think that will be implemented?
How
how much timeline?
That
2 to 3 years?
Will take time. That 100% will be difficult, but objective should be as
Moving
much as
towards.
possible. As much as possible through total digital.
And this
no paperwork.
DIVE implementation, when that will be completed?
It is a project, 18 to 24 months project.
Okay, so that should
Already
be fully implemented.
3 months already over, and they are working day and night. Yeah.
Okay.
And also it is being monitored by our board as well as department, financial services. They are also monitoring this DIVE project regularly. What is the progress? All those things are there.
Right, because it will of course enhance your operational efficiency.
Yes.
talk about the equity investments because that is something which is keenly watched by the market because wherever LIC invests, even your stock exchange notifications, last I saw you were interested in investing in HDFC Bank up to 10%, RBI has given approval. So one, how much of that investment has yielded if you talk about the quarter gone by? And particularly on these banks investment, it was not just HDFC Bank, it was also other banks as well where the approval was taken from Reserve Bank of India. What is the intention of LIC?
No, actually, these are all enabling provision. We have taken permission not only for this bank but two other banks also we have obtained permission. So objective is to be able to invest at appropriate time. Because there is already cap, you cannot go beyond. If there is market opportunity, you cannot invest regulatory restrictions. So for that we have taken these approvals. And so far as the equity investment is concerned, our investment in equity market cap will be little less than 4% of total India's market cap.
Okay.
And we continuously invest equity portfolio that is out of total AUM, it will be 20% roughly, 20 to 25%.
Okay. So what is LIC doing currently? Market is on fire. Are you waiting on the sidelines, booking profits? What is the strategy?
It is a mixed strategy. You see, I cannot always book on a profit. I have to also increase my portfolio. So depending upon our investment strategy, all these things we take call. And we have a very balanced approach. Not that we take total advantage and or we keep quiet. It is a balanced approach so that sustainability is maintained.
One last question I will ask you. How often do you actually watch the stock price? Do you actually watch it on ET Now, that running, how much it has gone up or gone down? Is it regular part of your day routine?
Actually, we watch sometime in office because the TV is there. So whatever is there, we watch.
Okay, but does that give you confidence, especially in last 3 months?
When obviously when my stock goes up, to be happy always, because now people are reposing faith in LIC, and we expect this to continue.
Yes, this faith is not just for you, but many shareholders.
Yes.
Thank you so much for talking to us. It was pleasure talking to you, and all the very best for the coming quarters.
Thank you very much. Thank you.